guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Guys, today is something very easy and tastes like always. It's gonna be al bacio. I'm going to make a nice bruschetta and I'm gonna elevate a little bit with avocado and egg on the top. It's quite nice if you have one, you can have dinner, or it's nice for breakfast. The recipe from my sister-in-law, Monica. I'm gonna use some avocado, of course. Try to find nice and soft. I'm gonna use the eggs, like I said. We're gonna use some lemon juice, a little touch of garlic, soft cheese. You can use these triangles, or you can have Philadelphia, stuff like that, soft cheese. And on the top I'm gonna add some rocket, salt and pepper. Avocado. Easy, okay? Take fork and just mash it like this, okay? And always, guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on the channel, and check out our website cookingwithanitalian.com. Guys, now mash your avocado. Okay, guys, look. This is 2 whole avocado, okay? Cheese in. I put 2, but you can put more. Well, for me, it's gonna be enough.
Yeah, choice enough.
Mix again. Salt and pepper. I recommend you a little touch of garlic. Mix well again. Not too much. Is enough. A little depend your taste, okay? Okay, guys, a little touch of oil or butter if you like. And we start frying the bread. It's nice and crunchy. I'm gonna do 3 per time. Okay. When I'm gonna flip them, I show you. Okay, guys, my bread I like that. If you like less, do less. If you like more, do more. Some garlic. Okay, we're gonna do the egg. One, I do 2 first time, okay? Like this. And when they cook, I'm gonna show you how we're gonna dress the bruschetta. See you soon. Okay, guys, my bruschetta is ready. Already I put the garlic. Now, what we're gonna do is super easy. Take some of your avocado you mixed before, nice egg on the top, leaves of rocket. Hey, look at that. The job is done, guys. Now it's just time to thank you, Monica. This is absolutely delicious, guys. My bruschetta with avocado, egg and rocket is this absolutely al bacio. If you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao.